Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I am Arif. Today we gonna discuss how to make money from Upwork platform. So I have been using Upwork for many years and this is a very good platform to actually earn money. I'll go through the step-by-step process how to actually build your profile and then how you can apply for Upwork jobs. So the first thing, whenever you create a new account under Upwork, the first thing you need to focus on to actually create a very attractive profile. So for that, the first thing is that like you have to come up with a very good title of your profile. So for me, as I mainly work on AWS technologies and some cybersecurity related work, so that's why I put the title Certified AWS Solutions Architect, Developer, and Cyber Security Expert. And then you have to uh, list down your hourly rate. My suggestion would be in here. First, start with low, and once you will get more and more jobs, then you can just increase your rate. Uh, Under the description, what I did, I added my certifications that I have and my core skill set so that whenever an employer visits to my profile, the employer can see in which specific technologies I am expert at. To be honest, at the very beginning, it's kind of like hard to actually land a job in Upwork because first you don't have any uh, feedbacks that the employer can see that this guy is trustworthy. So first, my suggestion would be like, don't be disappointed. Just start applying and applying, and eventually you will land a job. My first job was after 3 weeks of applying process, and this was a very small task that was just only for I earned like $3.33, but that was okay because this was my stepping stone. After that, I started to actually apply more and more jobs, and luckily I got some pretty amazing job. You'd be surprised how much you can earn from Upwork. It's massive. So one cool thing about Upwork is that you can even land into some remote jobs which will pay you monthly, which was great. It happened with me, and I made a good amount of money from there. For an instance, this was those jobs where I earned almost like 5K just from a single job, which was great. And the good thing is like once your profile have more and more feedbacks and reviews from your clients, then at one point you don't even have to apply for new jobs. Employer will reach out to you or send invitation to actually go through their job description and apply for the jobs if you are interested, which happened with me, and it's amazing. So first few months or year would be kind of like tough for you to actually build your portfolio. Once you have a solid portfolio, then you are all good, then you can just earn more and more from Upwork platform. Uh, Here under the portfolio section, you can add some projects that you previously worked on so that your customer or clients would know like what specific tool set you do have and how good you can finish a project. Then under skills, it is recommended to actually list your core skill set. So most of my skills are related to AWS technologies and some are related to cybersecurity and some other technologies like other cloud, maybe Azure. And this is one of the core section. So if you are certified in any technology, just list down your certification in here, so it will definitely help you. So once your potential employer visit your profile and see all of this certification in here, your employer will be impressed, and definitely there will be high chances that you will get selected for the job. And also these small details are also important where you can kind of like mention how many languages you know, and what is your educational background, which helps. You can say from Upwork, maybe in a year I just earn in total like 40K, which is great. So job applic the job application you can find from Find Work, and here you need to search for the jobs that you are looking for. For me, I'm looking for AWS, and here you can see that AWS network consultant, like 50 to $75 per hour, which is great. You just need to uh, make sure that your skill set kind of like align with this job description and the core points, and just apply. And one important suggestion I would like to add, that is, when you apply for a job or try to submit a proposal like this, it's always a good practice to actually add all of your certifications that you have in this specific field. So for instance, like here you will uh, add a cover letter explaining why you were a good fit for the job, and under the attachment section here you should add your certifications, which helped me a lot. So whenever you attach the certification and your employer is saying that this specific candidate is certified in this specific technology, then definitely the employer will get more confident to actually hire you, because you are showing the proof. That's one of the key points. I personally believe that Upwork is more of like starting a startup business, because for startups you have to start your business from scratch. The same thing goes for Upwork, because when you first open your Upwork account, you don't have any customer feedback, so you have to work hard daily basis to actually build a reputation, build a good portfolio for yourself. So my suggestion would be, please do the hard work, because once you pass this level of hard work, then you will definitely get reward from it. The same thing happened with me. So when I first started, for more than a month, I didn't get any jobs. But when I landed the first job, the job was very low paying job. So I just took that opportunity, and then from that point, I just start building my profile. So please don't lose hope that you can do it. If I can do it, definitely you guys can also make it. And one more tips that I want to add. So uh, every day, what I did that really helped me. So suppose my skill set is related to AWS, I look for AWS and search for the newest jobs that are posted related to the AWS technologies. And every day I just went through almost like 20 25 new jobs related with my skill set. So I went through all the description and the skill set and tried to map my skill set with this skill set. Then it will help you to find the gap, like what skill set you need to learn to actually do this job perfectly. So it really helped me to actually learn a lot of new things, and it helped me to actually find out what skill set are kind of like hot in the market. So please do that. And I always believe that the hard work is the key. So always try to keep learning. And if you learn something new, and there is a platform named as Upwork, so that's great. I know a lot of Upwork profile. Uh, which profiles kind of like the charges near around like more than $150 per hour. So I believe it's far better than any regular jobs. So just stick to your plan, do the hard work, and get the reward. um, I hope this video helped you guys, and please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will post these sort of videos regular basis to my channel. And have a wonderful rest of your day. Good luck.